You will eventually, but I was helping a Math 2 student. Okay. All right. We're just going to make sure that we are comfortable with these. So let's say they gave you this, which is the general conic form of a circle. Also, you guys, we have officially moved past algebra into geometry. Yay! Okay. There's still some algebra in it, but yeah, we've officially moved on. There's only 2 geometry units. Completing the square? You could say like equations of circles, notes continued. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the number on the end. We're just going to move it over here because we don't need it. And then we're going to put our x's and our y's separated. We're going to put the x's together, put the y's together. So we've got x squared. It's completing the square.
That's what I was going to say.
Yeah. So there's our x's together. Here is our y's together. Yeah, and we have to divide things by 2, yep. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. So 16 is the number that completes the square. And if I add 16 on the left side of the equation, what should I add on the right side? 16, okay. And then I have 16. What am I going to do to the 16? So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 squared is 64. Now 64 completes the square, and if I add 64 to the left side of the equation, what am I going to do to the right? Add 64. Okay, so now I've got something squared plus something squared equals something. X minus 4, y plus 8. So 70, 80, minus 3, 77, okay? So this now looks like the standard form of a circle, and the standard form of the circle has a center of positive 4, negative 8, and it has a radius of square root 77. Very good. Okay. Perfect.
Square root doesn't actually like square root, you just write square root 77.
Yep. Okay. Let's do it one more time just to make sure that it's a smooth process, and then I'll let you guys start the activity. Okay. It has some of the other ones too, but it has a lot of these. Okay. So, what do I do first? Okay. Okay. And then what do I do? So there's only the x squared, so that's all by itself. And then we've got y squared plus 20y plus blank equals negative 36. So if this is what it looks like, is there any completing of the square that's going to be happening over here? No. Which means that coordinate is going to be 0 for the center. It's not contributing anything, and so it's just 0. Yeah, so we're just going to leave it. Okay. Over here, what should we do? Okay, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 squared is 100. 100 completes the square. If we add 100 to the left side, we have to add 100 to the right side. Okay, so we have x squared plus parentheses squared. And what goes in our parentheses? Okay. And then what does this equal? 64. Okay. So what is the center of our circle? Okay. The radius would be 8. Okay. I think they were just saying the same numbers repeatedly. Okay. So radius is 8. All right. So we can do the completing of the square twice. Okay. And then as you guys are working on the activity, if any of the other ones throw you off, like in particular, if they like give you endpoints of the diameter and you have to find the equation, or if they give you the center and the area and you need to find the equation, any of those, if those throw you off, just let me know and I'll work through it with you. Okay? So a lot of the problems are like the examples we just did, but every so often I throw in one that's like the others. Okay, so for the class period today, you're going to be working on the problems around the room, and then you have a video tonight.
Is it posted online?
The posters are not online. I'm going to make you walk. We're going to do math and PE today. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Staple what?